Good morning, everybody. We're at Mount Timpanogos Campground. We're about 15 miles northeast of Provo, Utah, and this is the night 2 video. And, well, pretty nice campground. We we got in here about 8:30 at night, and well, let me show you the campground right now. So there are the vault toilets, which normally, actually they're flush toilets, but they have plumbing problems. So we have the porta johns, which are actually really clean and really nice. They're well maintained. And then here's our space. We're at an 11, if anyone comes up here. But there's like 30 spaces here. Here's our picnic table. And over there is our tent. And behind here is our fire rig. And well, when we got in last night, first thing we did was set up the tent, and then got a fire going. And we just stayed up until about 11:30 and had a late dinner and had a fair amount of margaritas and slept really well. It was about 63 when we went to sleep at 11, and right now it's about 55. I was really amazed. The temperature really stayed steady up here. Anyways, we're just going to kind of pack up. We're going to be kind of going out of here. It's about 8 a.m. And, well, we'll talk about the rest of it on the next day video. But, yeah, really nice campground. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.